Ang takbo ng defense, kami nakikita namin, meron lang kami, we're not lawyers, pero ang takbo ng defense, kahit naman kung ano yung ginawa ni Vice President, wala namang prohibition daw doon sa mga ginawa niya. Halimbawa, yung kay Mary Grace Piato, siya mga alias, saka kahit yung pag-withdraw ng malaking cash, although medyo dinidispute yung kanina ni Heidi Mendoza, ano yung, saka, yun ang sinasabi nila, meron siyang presumption of regularity, and in the first place, lahat ng confidential funds niya, inaprobahan ng Malacanang.
Yun, Abby,
ano po yung ano niya?
Yung una, I need to address
ano
that. Abby, no? I need to address that emphatically na debunk kanina yan based on record. Yung ba yung idea na kung ibibigay ng Office of the Vice President sa'yo, okay, approve ng Office of the Vice President, is that a license not to account for the money? Yeah. Kung sa ano, parang ano naman yan? Anong argument naman yan? Just because binigyan ka ng pera ng Office of the President, ibig sabihin ba, immune ka na, exempted ka na from accounting, from accountability? Hindi. So that's why I said kanina, kung ako yung defense, I'll never make that argument. No, that's something na parang, I will never make that argument that just because it was approved, so ano, pwede mo nang gamitin sa mga pamamaraan na irregular, idinaayon sa batas, no? Isa yan, no? Tsaka yung cash, no? Napaka-telling yung sinabi ng ating mga land bank, former managers na parang, ba't naman cash? Di ba you supposedly, you do that through check, tsaka ba't naman regular yung paghihingi, pag-release ng confidential fund, parang may schedule, quarterly. Sabi nga ni Senator Judge Ping Lacson, parang unusual, di ba? Supposedly kasi it will depend sa mga surveillance activities, ba't naman regular? Ba't may schedule, di ba? Ba't may schedule? Tsaka yung paggamit naman, yung mga aliases, sinabi kanina ni Attorney Wamil, sinabi niya, hindi yan prohibited, hindi yan expressly allowed, pero sabi niya hindi pa rin tama. Hindi pa rin tama considering yung paggamit ng aliases. Saka yung iba pang mga na prove during trial. For example, no, ito yung napaka-telling. Ba't naman 0-0 yung ending ng mga amounts? Wala man lang
Butawal.
I've been noticing that I've been in this endeavor sa almost 2 years na. That's the first thing I noticed. Walang butal, but lahat ng figure down to the last, yung re-request po, pwede pa yun. Pero yung liquidation report, walang butal. Ano ba yun? I mean, parang
pero attorney, similar yan sa
It's telling Ba't
pero
naman walang butal?
Similar yan sa mga ghost projects ng DPWH, walang butal.
No, galing sa iyo, Ronald yan, ha?
Teka lang.
Ito pang bagay, no? I mean, as a reward for confidential information, yung ibibigay mo, medicine. Yun, ano yun? Okay, so I have fever, but before you give me the medicine, you have to provide, I provide you information. Ano yan? Anong ibig sabihin yan, di ba? Grocery, chairs, tables. Alam mo, may mga bagay talaga, no? Yung defense, I could see the strategy from a mile away. Parang they are trying to dinadichotomize a single event, that's it. Para sa kanila, yun na yun. But you know, we deserve better, no? We deserve better defense. If pagtatahi-tahiin mong lahat na iyan, yung sinabi ng land bank managers na unusual yung cash, 11 days natapos yung pag-i-spend ng money na yan. And then based on record, yung security officer yung nag-actually disburse. Yung mga liquidation reports, walang butal. Ako, siguro naman, it's plain for everybody to see yung conclusion, no? Yung conclusion na tama ba yung pinaggamitan ng confidential fund. I think as a prosecutor, I cannot make that conclusion, but alam mo, I think we are intelligent enough as a people na malaman ano yung totoo, ano yung illegal. Sabi nga ni Attorney Kapunan, scam ba ito or hindi? I think we are intelligent na masasagot yung yan.